We got all the welding and stuff finished up. We got it into epoxy. That way we can come in and do our body work over all the weld seams and stuff that we have. And then we're going to go from there and body work the firewall. That'll get primed and painted, and the underside will get bed lined and go back on the chassis hopefully in the next week or so.
We are preparing to add some seam sealer to the bottom side of John's car. We've got it flipped up on the rotisserie. Most of the rough body work is done. All the seams are welded up and everything's ready to go. I've blown everything off. I've wiped everything off. I've tacked everything off. Now we're going to go through and seam seal all of the panel flanges and things we don't want water to get behind, and use that 3M sausage container gray seam sealer. It can make a mess. You got to be patient.
What kind of areas are you using this on?
Yeah, so it's basically where the floor comes into the side here. You know, take care of those flange seals there. The rear body panel. These are designed to drain, so we don't seal those. The bracing going across the floor, but we'll seam all the edge panels and things like that.
All right, so we got the bottom all done on the 70 Chevelle. We got everything primed, sealed up, and got the Raptor liner put on. Now we're going to go ahead and block the firewall, get it all prepped and ready for paint, get it painted, and then get the body mated back onto the chassis so we can finish the outside.
So we have some epoxy sealer mixed up, and we're going to go into the booth and spray John Hawk's 70 Chevelle Firewall and front wheel houses. We're going to seal them up first, and we're going to go with the color that he selected. It's a metallic blue. We'll be using a matte clear coat to finish the engine bay area. So yeah, let's go spray some sealer.
I'm always fascinated what's in those little bottles. What is that?
This is the pearl coat. So this is like, see the,
Oh, okay, yeah, you can kind of see that.
you can see the super flashy.
Like the pearl on like an oyster or something.
Yeah, this is the special sauce. And that's usually pearl pieces or mica is that's mine that they use to put in paint that does that.
Mica?
Yeah, like a earth mineral.
Science, kids.
It's just so hard to pour from these things too.
Elmer's glue bottle.
Yeah, I like this lid much better.
Where you just dump it in.
Yeah, it stays cleaner too. And then a little bit of blue.
So the last one was purple, this one's blue.
Yeah, violet. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I think this one's been used. She's brand new. Maiden voyage for the blue glitter.
Interesting to see what it looks like.
18 grams of it too. That's a lot.
It's kind of a darker blue.
Being in a light base like this, this is the majority of the metallic content of this color is going to come from this. Because there's no other, well, this and the violet pearl, that's the only toners with metallic in it. So, we shall see. I mean, we did spray out. It looks cool.
Always do spray outs.
Yeah, we sprayed cards. He picked his color, and then we sprayed a trash fender in there, just so he could see it laid out on the car. And well, he picked 2 of the cards, and then we split that fender and painted both of those blues on that fender. And then he picked out of those 2, even with this one.
Yeah, for those that don't know, on a new build, you like do experimental colors and then spray
Yeah,
on
for
an
any new
actual
build,
card.
what we're
to
going to
look
do
at.
is we'll typically go to the color deck, and we'll pick cards in the color area of what the customer wants. We'll give them a couple selections. They'll make some choices, and then we will pick, say, 5 to 10 different colors to spray out on the cards, like this. And then the customer will select from those, and then we will, like I said, we'll paint it onto an existing fender just to kind of get the idea of what the color looks like. And then we can take that out into the sun, and the customer can see how the flop and the side tones and how it looks as it gets down, you know, if it's going to go too dark or too bright or something like that. So we've probably sprayed this color for John a couple times already.
You don't want to spray a whole car and then roll it out in the sun and not be happy with it.
Yeah, and be like, wait a minute, I didn't know what this was going to do in the sun.
Paint, clear, all that, not cheap. Crazy colors. Oh, yeah, you can see all the pearls or something.
Yeah, the pearl, the blue and the purple is in there. And then on the side, you can kind of see all the toners get mixed in. Shake it up.
said it's going to get about 3 more coats.
I'm gonna put one more coat on and then let it sit, and I'll come back, and I got a few chunks in it. There's like 2 dirt nibs right here I can take out. There's 2 right there. So I'll probably get 2, maybe 3 more coats. Yeah.
That's to bring the blue out a little bit more, right?
Yeah, just to make sure it's covered, have the actual color blue. We have the card in there, I'll be able to compare it to. And then after that, then we'll do our drop coat and clear. Flat clear, matte clear.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.